If you're considering buying LinkedIn analytics software, there are 12 essential things you need to know before making a decision. With so many tools available for tracking social media performance, it's important to understand how LinkedIn's analytics compare to others and whether it's the right fit for your business. First, while LinkedIn's analytics are powerful, they don't go as deep as some of its competitors. Tools like Sprout Social and Hootsuite offer more detailed insights across multiple platforms, which could be beneficial if you manage a broader social media strategy. But LinkedIn Analytics can still give you a clear picture of engagement and reach on your LinkedIn profile and company page. Next, LinkedIn Analytics provides engagement metrics like likes, comments, shares, and clicks. This gives you a decent view of how your content performs. However, unlike some other tools, LinkedIn doesn't give you access to in-depth demographic data or audience insights. If you're looking to get a deeper understanding of your audience's behavior, you might want to consider third-party software that offers more granular data on who's engaging with your posts. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. LinkedIn's built-in tools are straightforward and free, but they're fairly limited in functionality. More advanced tools like Buffer or Social Bakers come with powerful reporting capabilities and the ability to manage multiple accounts, which is perfect if you're managing more than just LinkedIn. Next, the data range in LinkedIn Analytics can sometimes feel restrictive. LinkedIn allows you to see metrics for the last 90 days, which isn't bad, but some competitors give you the flexibility to look back further, which can be critical for long-term strategy planning. Having the ability to track long-term trends across a year can make all the difference when tweaking your content strategy. Another thing to note is the limited comparison features. While LinkedIn allows you to track metrics over time, you can't easily compare your profile performance to others. Tools like Rival IQ allow you to see how you stack up against competitors, making it easier to refine your strategy and stay competitive. The sixth thing to keep in mind is post scheduling. LinkedIn doesn't offer any post scheduling options directly within its platform, whereas tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later let you schedule posts across multiple platforms, saving time and streamlining your content workflow. The seventh thing to consider is the reporting format. LinkedIn Analytics does give you basic reports, but they aren't customizable. Other tools like Sprout Social allow you to customize reports to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business, making it easier to extract insights and share them with your team. Another important aspect is LinkedIn's focus on organic content. While it does provide some insights on ads and paid content, if you're heavily relying on paid ads, platforms like Ad Espresso can give you more detailed analytics specifically tailored to paid social campaigns. The ninth thing is data exporting. LinkedIn doesn't allow you to export your data easily in bulk, making it harder to perform in-depth analysis or share reports with your team. Meanwhile, tools like Hootsuite and Buffer give you more flexible exporting options for sharing and reviewing data. The 10th consideration is integration. LinkedIn Analytics doesn't offer as many integrations with third-party apps compared to platforms like Sprout Social, which integrates with CRM tools and other software to provide a more holistic view of your social media performance and customer relationships. Next, LinkedIn's analytics dashboard is simple but lacks the sophistication of its competitors. For example, Social Bakers offers more advanced features like sentiment analysis and AI-powered recommendations, which can help you adjust your strategy based on how people feel about your brand, not just how much they engage. The 12th thing is LinkedIn's paid features. While the free version provides valuable insights for organic content, if you're looking for deep performance metrics related to paid campaigns, LinkedIn's paid version will give you more robust options. This may be an added expense for some, while competitors may include these features in their base plan. Overall, LinkedIn Analytics is a decent option for those focused on organic content and want simple insights into their performance. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with deeper insights and better integration options, you might want to explore other tools. For a better option that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution. It's designed to help you get more out of your social media analytics and management.